Hi Kaylee, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your calculus question tonight. So the first part of this question says that you need to use your calculator to find I think you're just finding the slope at point A. So at pi, where of this curve right here. And then the second part says is to find the slope analytically, or um, the derivative at pi right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative of this function right here, and this is you're going to have to use your product rule, right? These are our two functions, x squared and tan x. So we're going to get the derivative going to be, we'll do the first one, take the derivative of the first one, times the second function plus the derivative of the second function, which is the derivative of tangent is secant squared x, and then we'll have x squared, right? Times x squared. So this is our function right here. So from here, we're just going to plug in our a, because that's what we're trying to find. We're trying to find f of a, and our a is pi. So we're going to plug in the derivative pi. So that we're going to get 2 pi tangent of pi plus secant squared pi times pi squared. So now if we evaluate these trig functions, we get that it's going to be 2 pi times 0, because tangent is 0 at pi, and then plus secant squared, it's going to be secant of pi is -1, and then we're going to square that, times pi squared. And finally, at pi, the derivative is going to be, or the output, or the slope of the tangent, or of the slope of the tangent line of this curve right here is going to be pi squared. And it should look like, if we put it up on the calculator, it'll be something along the lines of 9.87, something along that lines, if you do that once you do it on your calculator. All right, so thank you for sending in your question tonight, and we hope to answer more of your questions in the future. Have a good night, Kaylee.